Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I am Brittany Barnes, owner and maker of Brittany Barnes Boutique. This is the first time that I have come on here, and while I'm here, I wanted to thank you all so much for all of your support. We have come a very long way in such a short amount of time, and I couldn't have done that without each and every one of you. Secondly, the most exciting thing about this tutorial is that we are having a huge giveaway. Some of you have saw my past tutorials. I have used transfers and fulls from Southern Belle Glitter. Cindy, the owner, is an incredible person. I love her and her company, and she has generously given us lots to give away. We have, for our grand prize, we have $500, $250 in cash, $250 in credit for her store, 2 runner-up winners, each $100 gift cards to her store, and we will also have a box of Southern Belle goodies. For our 2 $100 gift cards and the goodie box, all you have to do is join Brittany Barnes Boutique Tumbler art group on Facebook, as well as Southern Belle Glitter, and then drop us a comment down below of what you think about us in general. It can be anything about the channel, something about Southern Belle Glitter. If you love their products, just drop us a comment down below. When you comment below, make sure that you do leave either your Instagram handle, Facebook page name, or even your email, so I do have a form of contact to reach out to you if you do win one of our prizes. And for our grand prize, all you have to do is recreate a tumbler or project that we have done in one of our tutorials using Southern Belle Glitter products. She has so many products in store. Some of those are including fulls. She has one of the largest, if not the largest, collection of fulls on her website, so there's tons to choose from. Possibilities are endless. And then also the rub-on transfers. I have lots of tutorials for these. And we even have some of the Brittany Barnes Boutique transfers. So like I said, possibilities are endless. Once you have that tumbler made, you will need to post it to social media. Make sure that your post is public so that everyone can see and we can see your tag. Tag Brittany Barnes Boutique, Southern Belle Glitter, and also hashtag BBB giveaway. That way I can keep up with all of the entries. The more posts, the better. Just do not get in trouble in any groups that you should not be posting in. Also, keep in mind that posting in Brittany Barnes Boutique Tumbler art group or Southern Belle Glitter does not count as an entry. We would absolutely love to see your creations in our groups. However, we do want to see them publicly so we can spread the word about Brittany Barnes Boutique and Southern Belle products. I will put all of this down below in the description so that it will be nice and clear. I will pick a winner on August 31st of 2022, and we'll announce winners on YouTube as well as across all social media accounts to make sure that we do get those winners. Now, although we do have plenty of tutorials using Southern Belle products or those that you can recreate using Southern Belle products, I also did create a tutorial for a new tumbler using Southern Belle fulls. You can see the detail of the lace full that I used on top of here. Used a fine glitter on bottom, chunky on top, simple vinyl stripe in the center, and a decal, and this one was done. So this is a really simple idea for you to recreate. If not, choose from one of the other ones that we have done in the past. That is all. Let's get started on this tumbler. I am using a 32-ounce plump from the Steel Magnolia, and I have already spray painted the bottom portion of this flat black using the new My Color Shot paint. I am just marking this piece of paper off to map out the black section of the tumbler so we can spray paint the top orange for our orange glitter. I trimmed this piece of paper with my vinyl trimmer, wrapped it around, and I'm just going to take some painter's tape and go along the
edge of the paper, and that is going to give me a perfectly straight line across the bottom, protect this black paint, and then we can spray paint our orange. I am using burnt sienna from Rust-Oleum, and I will forewarn you, I'm not sure if it's all paint cans of this color, but this has gave me lots of trouble. This was pretty uneven, but it's okay because we are using some PDB Creative Studio glitter, and we will get excellent coverage out of that. I'm going to apply some glitter glue using a makeup brush. This gives me a really nice and even streak-free application. That way there's no lumps or bumps under our glitter, and it doesn't take near as long to dry as if we put this on really thick or had thick streaks. We are using Play with Fire from PDB Creative Studio. This is the multi-size chunky mix version. There is also a .015 cut, and they are both equally beautiful. Since I used glitter glue instead of epoxy to apply this glitter, I didn't want to apply too much pressure by rolling or wrapping the tumbler in parchment or the printer paper as I usually use, so I just rolled it like this on the paper, and it really flattened it out really nice. I removed our tape and paper from the bottom, went over that black section with our glue, and then added on Midnight .008 cut from PDB Creative Studio. Once we had good coverage for our black glitter, then I knocked off any excess, allowed this to dry for about 4 hours, and then sealed it 3 times with my Color Shot matte clear coat. And then we gave this 2 coats of epoxy so it would be nice and smooth for our full application. We are going to use the full adhesive from Southern Belle Glitter. This goes on so much better than tack it, y'all. You don't need a super thick layer either to have enough tackiness for your fulls. So I just went on with my makeup brush again and applied a nice thin layer, making sure that my coverage was even. And we just covered that orange portion of the tumbler. I was trying to wing it without applying any tape to the bottom of the cup for whatever reason, but I did realize that I needed to add on some tape, so I wrapped my painter's tape around our black section so it would be much easier to paint on this adhesive, and finished painting on that adhesive, dried it up with my heat gun on low heat setting, and then we could apply our fulls. I have my Turner arm stand from Brittany Barnes Boutique on the arm of my tumbler, It is sort of in a Y pattern, so anytime I'm applying fulls or decals, I can prop that up on my tabletop or on my desk, and it holds the tumbler steady and at an angle so that I can apply them. It is probably my favorite tumbler tool that I have. I use it in every single one of my tutorials. It props my cups up. It helps me hold on to my tumblers with a better grip than just holding on to the turner arm. I just love it. So the full that we are using from Southern Belle Glitter is black lace. I know in the tutorial it does look like it blends into that orange just a bit, but in person this cup is stunning, and you can see all of that lace detail on top of this really pretty orange glitter. Now I think it would be gorgeous on top of a red, or if you're doing a Halloween cup, maybe even a lime green or purple. I mean, it would look good on just about anything. And the good thing about this one is it is a busier pattern, so you're not going to be able to see the seam as long as you press it down really well and make sure that it is adhered to that glue on the tumbler before removing that transfer paper or plastic. There is no need to seal any of the Southern Belle transfers or fulls, so we are going to move straight into adding on our vinyl stripes. I am taking a piece of 0.10 by 11.5 inch vinyl that I cut using my design space. I'm just going to wrap that around right there in the seam between our lace and our black. And then I have a 0.06 by 11.5 inch piece of the holographic orange from Tech Wrap Craft. I'm going to overlay that, and then we are going to add on our decal cut out of this same color. I created this SVG so it will be available in the Brittany Barnes Boutique Tumbler art group, pinned at the top so you can download it for yourself. Many of you have still asked me how I remove the decals so easily from the transfer tape. Pop your transfer tape on top of your decal, flip it over, pull the corner as you are using a squeegee tool to apply pressure as you are removing the back. It will give you a very clean removal of your decal. No letters are going to stick anywhere. It's almost perfection every single time. So I applied that to the bottom portion of this tumbler. I felt like this holographic orange just popped and went really well with the Play with Fire glitter. And then of course you have the lace that just pulls together with the black glitter on the bottom. Once that was complete, I was ready to add on my final layers of epoxy. I love that I can use my Facet epoxy for a final coat as well, so I gave this about a 20 milliliter initial coat, and then for my final I did about 15 milliliters, and this one was complete. This one is so simple, but I feel like it makes a very bold statement, especially with all of that lace detail. So it is a great design to use if you are going to participate in our grand prize giveaway. I will be choosing a winner again on August 31st of 2022 to give you plenty of time to brush up on the Brittany Barnes Boutique tutorials. Find the tumbler that you want to recreate and put your own spin on with the Southern Belle Glitter products. If you don't have any Southern Belle in your collection, I will have that shop link down below, as well as a discount code, all of the additional products that I used in this tutorial, as well as the giveaway details once again down below, so they are nice and clear for everyone. That is all for today. Thank you all so much, and we will see you next time.